Nandun kami kanina with Attorney Vic Rodriguez and Philip Salvador pero hindi kami nakapasok, but yung kasama ko po si Attorney Martin Delgra ay nakapasok po, nandun siya sa loob together with ES Medialdea, and I am in constant communication with ES Medialdea in so far as the actions that we will undertake concerning the matter, and this is a matter of urgent necessity that we should be able to do within a few minutes from now. Well, he is he is okay so far, and a while ago I was informed that he was read his rights under the 1987 Constitution. He was properly informed by, I don't know if it was proper, but he was informed by General Torre of his rights as an accused, and binasa po sa kanya ata yung warrant na galing sa ICC, and yun so far ang nangyari a few minutes ago doon po sa loob. May pinapadala po sa akin. May pinapadala sa akin si Attorney Martin Delgra, and I have yet to see it. It was just sent to me 5 seconds ago, and I have to look into it. I have not even read it because I have to inform the public through you. Yes. Well, definitely there is going to be one. If the documents are signed, I will inform you, Ma'am Cheryl, because that is the instruction given to me by Attorney Vic Rodriguez. He trusts you, so in effect, we trust you also. Yes, marami po, because if we will look at the Rome Statute, no, specifically Article 127, Paragraph 2, no, we already withdrew from the Rome Statute as early as 2019, and the effectivity was March 17 of 2019, because if my memory serves me right, we notified the the United Nations of our withdrawal from the Rome Statute as early as March 17 of 2018, and 1 year after that is supposedly the effectivity of the withdrawal from the Rome Statute. And under Article 127, Paragraph 2 thereof, it states that only matters under consideration should subsist to be under the jurisdiction of the of the International Criminal Court. But what was undertaken in 2018 was not a proceeding within the pre-trial chamber, but only a unilateral action on the part of the Office of the Prosecutor to start the investigation into the war of drugs of President Rodrigo Duterte. So this was not, therefore, legally a matter under consideration within the court, because matters under consideration to be within the jurisdiction of the ICC must be a judicial action, not merely a unilateral action on the part of the prosecutor's office. And therefore, the Philippines is no longer part and parcel of the Rome Statute, and therefore ICC has no longer jurisdiction over the matter, over the Philippines. So that is why, under the complementarity principle, the ICC should respect the integrity as well as the sovereignty of the Republic of the Philippines and its proceedings, and it should not anymore interfere in the proceedings here in our country today. Hello? 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 At nawala po. Bigla. Wala na po. Hello, hello, hello? Nawala si Cheryl. Hello, Ma'am Cheryl. Hello? Yes. Hello, boss. Hello, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. I am live pa rin ako? Yes. Yes. As I was saying, as I was saying, last March 27 of 2018, no, the Secretary General of the United Nations received the notification from the Philippine government formally submitting our notice of withdrawal from the International Criminal Court to the United Nations. If my memory serves me right, it was Enrique Manalo, the permanent representative of the Republic of the Philippines, submitted the same in the United Nations in New York and deposited the note verbal to Maria Luisa Roberto Viote, Chef de Cabinet of the United Nations Secretary. What does that mean? So the withdrawal therefore took effect on March 17 of 2019, 1 year after notification, as per Article 127, Paragraph 1 of the Rome Statute. And if you will read Article 127, Paragraph 2 of the Rome Statute, a withdrawing state remains obligated only with respect to matters already under consideration by the court before the withdrawal becomes effective. Now, was the unilateral action on the part of the prosecutor's office can be considered legally as under consideration by the ICC? That is no, an emphatic no, because when you say under consideration, it must be under judicial consideration. It must be an action on the part of the pre-trial chamber of the International Criminal Court so that it can bind the Philippines. So therefore, since it was merely a unilateral action on the part of the office of the prosecutor in conducting an alleged investigation into the war of drugs, then therefore it cannot bind the Republic of the Philippines, and the Philippines should be considered as out anymore from the Rome Statute, and therefore ICC has no longer jurisdiction over the Republic of the Philippines. And what it is doing now, no, the Philippines should not anymore cooperate with the ICC, and what is doing now is illegal. That is our humble opinion on the matter, and we hope and pray that the authorities of the Republic of the Philippines will realize this so that reason would prevail and justice would prevail in this country. Well, ganito na lang po, no? Kailangan na siguro sabihin, no? While he is still here, no, kailangan kami dumulog sa Korte Suprema, and that's what we are actually doing right now. So after this interview, I will do something, and I hope and pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be with us. I'm with Attorney Vic Rodriguez and Philip Salvador, and we will go to Camp Villamor and try to do something so that this will become a reality po. We are hoping and praying that the rule of law will prevail and that justice would reign in our country. I will talk to you after everything. No, we have to discuss this with the president, and ultimately, the decision lies with the president, with the former president Rodrigo Duterte. Yes, I will definitely give it to you. Yes. Well, a while ago, an hour ago, I heard that the Philippine Air Force, of course, this cannot be confirmed yet, no? Marites pa lang po ito. Naghahanap daw ata sila ng malaki na eroplano. Of course, we can only speculate that they may be planning to bring him to The Hague. And I would like to make an announcement to the PNP. You may be violating, even if granting ex argumenti gratia, that ICC still has jurisdiction over the affairs in the Philippine Republic. They should be reminded under Article 59, Paragraph 2 of the Rome Statute. It states that a person arrested shall be brought promptly before the competent judicial authority in the custodial state, which shall determine in accordance with the law of that state that there are three matters. The warrant applies to that person. Second, the person has been arrested in accordance with the proper process, and the person's rights have been respected. So it is our humble contention that granting ex argumenti gratia, that ICC still has jurisdiction, though we do not concede that. No, under Article 59, PNP or CIDG should bring him to the competent tribunal in the custodial state to determine these three matters. And apparently, they have forgotten about this, and it is our right to remind them and demand them to comply with this Article 59, even if we politely and strongly insist that the ICC has no more jurisdiction over affairs in the Republic of the Philippines. Well, that I cannot say with certainty because when we went with Attorney Martin Belgrad to Terminal 3, we met Senator Bongo there with former Labor Secretary Attorney Bello there and Attorney Fred Lim, but we were not allowed to be near the former president, so I could not say with certainty as to how he was treated by the police. And although I saw General Torre, but I was not able to talk to him. Hello? Putol.